Welcome to my channel, DNA.12 Education. Okay, students, today our topic is sine rule. Okay, mathematics series, basic trigonometry, sine rule part 5. Okay, students, what is sine rule concept? Okay, this is the concept of the sine rule for the scalene triangle. Okay, let's say ABC is scalene triangle. Okay, you can see, you can work on the screen. Okay, for the sine rule, yeah, we can define for the sine rule as it is below. Students, for the scalene triangle, there are three sides: AB, BC, and AC. Angle AB, side AB and side AC cover alpha, right? Side BC and side CA cover gamma. And then side AB and side CB cover beta. Okay. For the three angles here, there are three angles here, right? This is angle beta, this one is angle alpha, and this one is angle gamma, right? Once again, alpha is covered by AB and AC. Beta covered by AB and BC. And gamma covered by AC and CB, right? Okay, for the sine rule corresponding to angle and sine, alpha opposite to BC, gamma opposite to AB, and beta opposite to AC. Get that? So for the three angles, now we have a concept. We call that sine rule. For the sine rule, corresponding to side and angle, the sine rule is AB for gamma, BC for alpha, and AC for beta. For the sine rule is AB over sine gamma, BC over sine alpha, and AC over sine beta. We call this formula sine rule. Okay, students, this is the sine rule formula. Once again, AB respect to gamma, BC respect to alpha, and AC respect to beta. So the sine rule is AB over sine gamma equal BC over sine alpha equal AC over sine beta. Clear, everyone? Okay, students, to make sure the matter clear for you about sine rule, directly we go to the example. Clear? Example 1. Again, very clear, right? So corresponding to angle, this one, right? Angle 38 degrees opposite to x centimeter and 13 centimeter respect to 100 degrees, right? So for the sine rule, we can write here sine rule. X over sine 38 degrees equal over sine 100 degrees. Once again, x over sine 38 degrees equal to 13 over sine 100 degrees. Okay, students, by doing cross multiplication, x sine 100 degrees equal 13 times sine 38 degrees. Okay. Okay, students, please help me. What is sine 100 degrees? Okay, by using calculator, sine 100 degrees is 0.984, right? Is it clear? And then 13 sine 38. 0.616, right? Okay, so x equal 13 times 0.616 over 0.984. So we'll find x. We'll find x is 8.138, right? But the question is, give your answer to one decimal place. Give your answer to one decimal place. So we have to round up, right? So x
8.1.
8.1 centimeter. One decimal place, right? Because 8 will be round off to here, 1 will be 4, right? But 4 cannot round off to 1, is it? So finally, we got x is 8.1 centimeter. Clear, everyone? Clear? Clear, yeah? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Next, we go to the next question. Okay, so next we go to example 2. Okay, here the example 2 about sine rule, right? Okay, good. The scalene triangle, right? Okay, so what about sine rule for this scalene triangle? Okay. Okay, 53 degrees opposite to 5 meters. And 42 degrees opposite to side BC, right? Okay, for the sine rule, BC over sine 42 degrees equal 5 meter over sine 53 degrees, right? Okay, now we're going to solve this one by using cross multiply concept. Okay, cross multiplication. Next, so BC times sine, it's on time, right? Times sine 53 degrees equal 5 meter times sine 42 degrees, right? Next, by using scientific calculator, BC times sine 53, we got 0.798 equal 5 meter times sine 42. We got 0.669. So BC equal 5 meter times 0.669. We got 3.346. Okay, and divided by 0.798. So BC is we got BC is 4.192. Okay, students, the question is we have to find the last answer in 3 significant figures. Okay, 3 significant figures. So you have to round off the number for the final answer. So BC is because 3 significant figures. So you have to round off the number to be 4.19, right? Clear, everyone? The unit is dimension is centimeter, right? So BC is 4.9 centimeter. Okay, next we go to the next example, example 3. What about this one? Okay, students, by using the sine rule formula, x degree is opposite to 5.4 centimeter. And 95 degrees respect to 6.7 centimeter, right? For the sine rule sine rule. We got 6.7 centimeter over sine 95 degrees equal 5.4 centimeter over sine x degrees. This question is intended to find the degrees of x, right? Next, can you help me to find sine 95? Okay, next, 6.7 centimeter over sine, what is sine 95?
0.996.
Okay, 0.996, right? Equal 5.4 centimeter over sine x degree, right? Cancel this one, cancel. Okay, so by using cross multiplication, okay, 6.7 sine x degrees equal 5.4 times 0.996. So sine x degrees is we have to multiply this one, 5.4 times 0.996. We got 5.379. Okay, over 6.7, right? Okay, now you have to divide 5.379 divided by 6.7. We got 0.8028, right? But the question is the degrees. Okay, so sine x degrees equal 0.8028. So x is sine to the power minus 1 of 0.8028, right, everyone? So x is, by using calculator, everyone, sine power minus 1, 0.8028. We got 53.398 degrees, right? But the question is, the final answer must be 3 significant figures, right? 3 SF. So you have to modify the number to be 3 significant figures. So I think we have to round up the number until we got 3, right? So the final answer is 53.4 degrees. Okay, so the answer is 53.4 degrees, right?